Hello, universe. This is Redman Donarum, and I'm just showing off this afternoon my switchblade collection. Been collecting them for, I don't know, I guess over 50 years. But I'll run through them real quick to show you that they all work. So, you get an idea of the sound of them. This is an old girl here. It's a little rascal. Another little one. Made the same way. Oh, and this isn't out the front. This is another old one. Had forever. Still got a lot of balls to it. This one has a different sort of release. This right here is the release. Nice sound. Another out the front. OTF. And last but not least, an OTF. These are the ones that I've been collecting for a long time. That's got to be the oldest one right there. Or the most abused. Nice stag handle on that plastic stag there. All aluminum. Plastic. Wood handle switchblade from back in the day. Another stag switchblade from back in the day. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you this. This one's set up different. Once you set it off, what you have to do is pull this, push the button in, pull this back until it cocks right here at this end. So you cock it by hand like that. And you hit the button and it jumps out the front. But again, this little tab here is what you pull back and lock it. So it's, I guess, semi-automatic. Or it's single action. But that's the name of that too. And there they are. And this is where I sit. That's the case I just took them out of. That's my sharpener and assorted junk. for belts. And this here's where I watch TV. And here's some of my knife collection. And these are spider codes in there. And assorted different knives. From everywhere. I've never been biased, thinking the Chinese make only garbage knives. Well, I've always respected Asians as making the best blades around. You know, they carried them longer than we did, so they must be good. All right, I thank you all for visiting with the Red Man. And if you would, subscribe to my channel. This is a good sharpener here. Used there for quite a while because it's locked in your blade angle. Of course, this is what I'm using now. And some people were asking how to get this. I Velcroed this down. So, you know, while you're using it, it doesn't go anywhere. But it's Velcroed to the table here. I thank you much, everybody. Have a great day and subscribe to me. Leave a comment if you hate me. Thanks.